Hello, welcome to day 3 of your self-love meditation challenge. Self-love is a choice. The power you hold in your decisions is the power of choosing to direct all your energy towards one single powerful point. Allow yourself a few moments here to reconnect with your inner knowingness and simply ask yourself, have I been choosing myself? Listen carefully to whatever is coming up. Whatever the answer was to your question, allow it to be. Now let's take a few deep abdominal breaths here. One deep inhale and one deep exhale. One deep inhale and one deep exhale. One deep cleansing inhale and one deep exhale. Now, as the superficial thoughts melt away, allow yourself to reconnect with your heart and to take the decision to choose yourself. When you choose yourself, you align with the energy of the universe. You program yourself, your actions, your reactions to be aligned with this one decision. I choose myself. You always have the choice. It might be conscious or subconscious. So when you decide to take a conscious choice and choose yourself, you allow your inner beauty to shine. Setting boundaries, being yourself will become easy. There will be no effort. There will be only flow. As you go deeper into the meditation, allow this thought to be in your mind. I choose myself. I choose myself. I choose myself. As you are slowly coming back to the space that you're in, allow your vision to imagine how this choice will change your actions today. How will you be differently? How will you act differently when you choose yourself? How will you feel differently? How will you love today differently when you choose yourself? Now make a mental note of this feeling you're experiencing right now, and make sure that you are consciously keep it in your mind as you go with your day. I choose myself. I choose myself. Whenever you're ready, open your eyes.